Take it around that buoy.
Oh, that buoy. Out of the buoy.
No, that buoy. See that little marker out there?
Yeah.
That's where the end of the water hose is. Intake. You don't want to go too far, you'll lose your signal.
Are you filming this?
No. Charlie, watch what you're doing. Whoa. Go forward.
I don't know which way to turn.
Well, figure it out. You'll do all right.
Wait, skip.
Bring it this way. That boat's going to create a wake that's going to knock him. Well, that boat, let's see how big that boat is. Go forward. Backwards, not smart.
Dad, I'm trying.
Okay. Do what you do. Here he comes.
Quick. Rod, move.
Here comes a boat.
Okay, I'm gonna park it right there.
Okay, bring it in.
It's not turning the right way.
Uh-oh, he's going into the weeds.
Just go get it.
I'll go get it. Where are you going with it?
I was trying to land it right here, but it's not working.
Here, I'll go over here where I'll land it over on this rock. Let me do it.